Reason 3627 of why I hate engineers. New control arm, ball joint tie rods going on. Here's our control arm, bolt out here, easy peasy, right? Disconnect your ball joint there, ball joint presses into the steering knuckle. Hey, let's just simply take out our last bolt. I can't even unthread it all the way. Why didn't they just make the bolt a little shorter? We're hitting the trans. All right, so how do we get this out? Well, I guess we lower the cradle, right? Or raise the trans. There's only two options here, boys. I love doing suspension. It's my bread and butter. Control arms are usually pretty simple for me. Stuff like this is gonna deter DIYers from getting it done themselves. That's not cool. Let's get to it. And then after I'm done, I'm gonna go some engineer's wife. Okay, but in all reality, we've got our floor jack and got a chunk of wood, and I jacked up the trans just a little bit. It will have play in the mounts everywhere. They're supposed to have a little play. I already unscrewed it a couple more turns. See that? We're going out even further. Almost getting there. Now for our cradle, we have one big bolt there. Then we got this arm that comes apart or comes across and bolts up here and there. So we can put a stand underneath this and slowly let the cradle down. Or possibly take the bolt out of the trans mount right there. And there's probably another one up top. This is a 2018. I haven't done one on a 2018 yet. They're just starting to roll into the shop after dealerships, you know, are done taking care of them with their warranties. So we're starting to see a lot more 2018, 19s, and even some 2020s here at our independent place. I'm thinking I might have enough to snake this bolt out if I take out that one bolt on the trans mount, and also that mount I think bolts in from the bottom, so you can take the bottom bolts out, and that might be enough. We just need to go less than an inch upwards for this bolt to come out. If that's still not enough, then we bring the whole cradle down. You can see the control arm slides into the cradle that runs across the whole underbody here, and we would support the cradle while we bring that down a little bit. Pro tip, I should have been filming. I took the two bolts out of the motor mount, gives me a little bit higher on the transmission, and you can pop this side of the control arm out so it's totally out of its home there, and then angle it and sneak it out. See the bolt? So this bolt's gonna go into the bushing, but not all the way sticking out, because then it won't go into its home here. So once we get this, see, we only got a little bit more to go. Once we get it inside there, we start straightening this bolt back in, and you can sneak it out without doing anything further. Take some finagling.